I want to talk about this. This 20 something, 19 something decided to do a drive by in his 2018 or 2019 Camaro. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach driver's education. This guy killed 3 people as a result of his negligence to drive aggressive. What you see is the aftermath of 3 people who have died and manslaughter charges were accepted, and 2 other people are being airlifted to the hospital. This guy was clowning around and showing off. What is the takeaway from this? Stop driving reckless. You're going to end your life. You're going to take out innocent pedestrians. And what's sad, cars like that, it is not the car's fault. It's the people who drive those cars in a reckless manner. Okay? And you have young teens who are videoing and posting this on social media. There is no winner in this situation. They're all losers in this situation. If you're making a personal choice to drive like this, the outcome is death. Not jail, not probation, but death.